Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. When you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. Next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin this sequence with some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent guys. And now 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. And now 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And now let's have a shake. Shake it out. Arms and legs. Arms and legs. Shake it out. And now we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys. Have a seat. So in our previous science lesson, we began learning about another type of living thing. Animals. Well remembered guys, we learned about lots of different animals. So let's write the word animals on it. Excellent. All together, animals. Okay, and in the previous lesson we learned that the different types of animals can be found living in different types of places. There was 3 main types of places that we learned where animals can be found. Does anybody remember the names of the places? Land. Yes, the first place, similar to ourselves, is on land. So land, L-A-N-D. Now, the second type of animal that we learnt about are the animals that can swim. Yes, animals that can swim and breathe underwater are sea animals. So they live in S-E-A, the sea. And then there's another type of animal that can fly. They are air animals. But yes, we have another word for air animals. They are birds. Okay? Animals that can fly and can go in the air are birds. But we'll write the name because that's the place where they can be found. So, who can remember some examples of land animals? What animals can we find on land? Tiger. Yes, a tiger. Can a tiger be found in the sea? No. Can a tiger be found in the air? No. Tiger is a land animal. So tiger, T-I G-E-R. Tiger. Okay, land animals, guys. A cat. You know, a tiger is an example of a cat. A tiger is a big cat. So we have other types of animals too. Pak Boom, what did you say? Dog. T-O-G. Tiger. Dog. Let's get 5 in each category, guys. So we have 2 land animals. Tiger. Dog. Any more land animals? Cat. We have cat already. A tiger is a big cat. Lion is a big cat. Buffalo. Yes, a buffalo is a different type of land animal. U, F, F, A, L, O. Buffalo. Again. Where do you find the butterfly? In the air. So, okay, we'll write butterfly, but we won't put here. We'll put butterfly here. B, U, T, T, E, R, F, L, Y. Butterfly. Okay, so down has started the air category already, but let's carry on with the land. Let's get 5 in the land column first. Rhino. Yes, remember the big animal with the horn. Rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Chicken. Yeah. Bang boom, we have tiger and dog already on the board. So, chicken. Excellent. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Excellent. These are all examples of animals that live on land. We have tiger, dog, buffalo, rhino, chicken. Okay, now for our next category, the sea. A blue whale. Or how about whale? Whale. Fish. Okay, Bang Bon's got an answer now. Fish. So we have whale. Shark. Okay, let's write shark. S-H-A-R-K. Crocodile. A crocodile is actually a land animal that can go in water, but it lives on land. So far in the sea, whale, shark. Can we think of any more sea animals? Not snake. Snakes live on land. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Think about the last lesson. What had 8 tentacles? Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. And what was the animal that looked like a horse but lived in the sea? Seahorse. E-A. You see sea and then horse. O-R-S-E. But Pak Bung is right too. A sea animal, we could have dolphin. Then down has already started us on the air category. We have butterfly. But what other animals can we see flying? Airplane. Not airplane. Eagle and bird. Yes. Eagle. Pak Bung, living things. Animals. An airplane is not an animal. Okay, yes, these are all types of birds. Flamingo. Flamingo. Parrot is another one. Well done, well remembered. P-A-R-R-O-T. And then, who can remember the biggest bird? Begins with C. Condor. Okay, and we spell condor C-O-N-D-O-R. Okay, so now we have 5 different animals in each of their categories. So one final time, guys. Land animals. Tiger. Dog. Buffalo. Rhino. Chicken. Sea animals. Whale. Shark. fish, octopus, seahorse. And then air animals, butterfly, eagle, flamingo, parrot, and condor. These are all different types of animals based on where they can be found. And guys, that was very well remembered. What we're going to do in today's lesson, we're going to begin to look at how we can categorize animals based on the species that they are. And there are 6 different main species of animals. So in today's lesson, we're going to take a look at the first 3. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe and look at, and also practice speaking about mammals, reptiles, and fish. The first 3 main categories of animals. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation about classification of animals. Lesson number 1. And as we can see here in our picture, there are lots of different types of animals. Different colours, different shapes, and different sizes. But based on particular species, they can be grouped into certain categories. There are many different types of animals on planet Earth. Actually, thousands of different types of animals. Animals can be many different shapes and sizes too. We can classify animals into various categories. There are 6 main categories. We have mammals, reptiles, fish, birds, amphibians, and insects. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the first 3. So the first group, guys, mammals. And as we can see in the picture here, lots of different types of animals. What animals can you recognize? Does anybody know what this animal is with the hump? Camel, yes. The animal with the long neck? Giraffe. How about these animals with antlers? They're called deers. Yes. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that breathe with their lungs. Yes, just like us, they use their lungs to breathe. Human beings are examples of mammals too. Mammals have hair or fur on their bodies. Just like this monkey here in the picture. The monkey has lots of hair on its bodies. So do we. We have hair on our bodies. And that's why we're classed as mammals too. Mammals give birth to their babies and care for them. Does anybody know what type of animals in the picture here? A lion. Actually, a female lion we call lioness. And the lioness, the mummy lion, is with her baby. Does anybody know what we call a baby lion? A baby lion is a cub. Yes. So the lioness and her cub together. Mammals have mammary glands that feed milk to their young. Yes. What animal can you see in the picture here, guys? A cow. Now, what's the young baby cow doing? Drinking milk. You can see that the mummy cow has udders or mammary glands on its body that the young can get milk from. And then our next group of animals, reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have hard, dry, and scaly skin. Yes. Whereas mammals like us, we have warm blood. Reptiles have cold blood. What reptile can you see in the picture? Snake. Who likes snakes? No, nobody likes snakes. I think snakes are nice. Reptiles usually live on land, but can go in and out of water. And there's a special term that we use for animals that can go in water and come out. Amphibians. Yes. Who can tell me what animal we have in the picture here? What type of reptile? Any ideas, guys? It's a frog, yes. And a frog is an example of an amphibian because it can go in water and come out. Reptiles lay eggs with tough, leathery shells for their young to be born. Yes, you can see here, this is the remains of a reptile egg. And can you see the very newborn animal crawling out of the egg? Turtle, yes. This is a baby turtle, maybe 1 minute old. But the reptile eggs have to be very hard and have leathery skin so that they survive the harsh conditions. Reptiles are also animals that will breathe with their lungs. So the same as mammals. Whereas mammals have warm blood, reptiles have cold blood. But mammals and reptiles both breathe using their lungs. So you can see some similarities and differences. Does anybody know what type of reptile this is? It's a lizard. Yes, I think it's a special type of lizard. This lizard actually might be called chameleon. And what's special about the chameleon can change colour depending on its surroundings. You can see all the different colours of the chameleon. And our next category for today, fish. And as you can observe in our picture here, are fish all the same colour? No. Are fish all the same size? Are fish the same shape? You can see many different types of fish, but they all share some common characteristics. Fish live in water and breathe through their gills. Yes. What type of fish can you see in the picture? Shark. Now, can you see the lines on the shark here? Yes. Do you know what they are? They're what we call gills. Fish don't breathe through their mouth like us. Fish have special straps on their sides called gills. This is where the fish breathe from. They don't breathe through their mouth like humans. That's why when we go underwater, we can't breathe. We don't have these. We don't have gills. Fish do. The bodies of most fish are covered with slimy scales. Yes, little small slimy scales will make up the body of the fish. And if you look really closely at the white parts here, you can see the little scales. Thousands of them all over the fish. Now, who can guess what do you think this fish is called? Now, think about an animal that lives on land that has stripes. Tiger. This is called a tiger fish. Yes, because it has the stripes, like a tiger. And then who can tell me what fish this is? I'll give you a clue. It's a fish, and it's gold. Goldfish, exactly. This is a goldfish. Now look at all the different parts of the goldfish. Here we have the tail. And these are called fins. And these are what fish need to swim well. All fish have fins and a tail to swim fast in the water. Yes. Notice fish don't have legs, don't have arms. They have fins and a tail. And then finally, most fish reproduce by laying eggs for their young to hatch from. Now in the picture here, you can see lots of fish eggs. But look inside the fish eggs, guys. What can you see here? These are baby fish, not even born yet. These are the baby fish still inside the eggs. And in a few days, these fish will come out of the egg and be born. So you can see how newborn fish are made. In eggs, and then eventually they'll come out of the eggs. Any questions? Okay, guys, that was excellent. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can begin to understand the classification of different animals based on the characteristics that they share. And you can also see some of the similarities and difference between different classes of animals. And we've got a flash activity coming up for our students' practice, putting them into the correct categories. But for now, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this stretch sequence, we'll begin. We'll take our right hand, find our left foot. And then left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent, guys. And now, hands on hips. And we'll go side to side, wiggle. Stop. Side to side, wiggle again. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now, let's go round and round again. And stop. And now, back the other way. And stop. And to finish this time, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So what we've got now is our flashcards activity for our students to practice putting the animals into the correct categories. So what you need to do, teachers, is print off the flash sheet for this lesson and have all the animals ready to give to the students. So can anybody tell me the 3 different types of categories of animals that we've learnt about in today's lesson? Mammals was one. Excellent, guys. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. Yes. And then our second category? Reptiles. Yes, well done. The second category that we learnt about? Reptiles. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S. So we've got mammals, reptiles, and there was a third category too, fish. Yes, fish were the types of animals we seen last that live in the water. And how do we spell fish, guys? Okay, F-I-S-H. So what we've got now is we've got some pictures of animals. We're going to invite our students forward to present their flashcard, and then our students have to place the animal in the correct category and also write the name of the animal that they learnt about from the PowerPoint presentation. So guys, first thing to do, let's close our eyes. And let's see who has the picture when they wake up. Okay, so the first picture is with Pat. Pat, can you come forward and show class your flashcard, please? Okay, so on the flashcard, what animal can we see? Monkey. So what type of animal is a monkey? Is a monkey a fish? A monkey is a mammal. Excellent. So Pat, what category will you place your monkey in? Excellent. A monkey is a mammal. Remember, mammals have hair or fur. So now, can you write the word monkey on the board? How do we spell monkey, guys? N-K-E-Y. So all together, guys, monkey, mammals. Pat, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Pat. Okay, so teachers, we have our monkey on the board now. You can pause the video and play on with your class for the next 10 minutes or so. And we're going to carry on playing here. So the next flashcard with the next student. And now the flashcard is with Lakgao. So Lakgao, come and bring your flashcard to the front of class. What can we see on Lakgao's flashcard? Snake. A snake. Now what type of animal is a snake? Reptile. A snake is a reptile. Well done. So Lakgao, what part of the board will your snake go? Perfect. And then let's help Lakgao to spell snake. S-N-A-A-K-E. Perfect. So all together, snake. Reptiles. Lakgao, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Lakgao, please, guys. Okay, so Pat, Lakgao, you can relax. Let's see who's next. Okay, and now the flashcard is with Net. So Net, come forward and show me your flashcard and present it to class. Okay. Lion. A lion, correct. Actually, lioness and cub, but the type of animal is a lion. Now, is a lion a fish? Lion is a mammal, yes. So Net, what part of the board will you place it? Perfect. And then, can we help Net to spell lion? L-I-O-N. Perfect. So all together, guys, lion, mammals. Yes. High five and a big round of applause for Annette. And now for our next student. Okay, now the flashcard is with Dan. So Dan, can you bring your flashcard forward to show us, please? What can we see on the flashcard, guys? Tigerfish. Exactly. So what type of animal is a tigerfish? Yes, the secret's in the name. Tiger fish. So what part of the board will you place it on, Dan? Excellent. And now, let's help Dan to spell tiger fish. T-I-G-E-R. And fish, F-I-S-H. Perfect. Down, that's excellent. So all together, guys, tiger, fish. And the reason it's called a tiger fish is because of its stripes, like a tiger. Dan, that was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Dan. And we still have some flashcards to go. And now the flashcard is with Bang Bon. So bang pon, what animal do we have on our flashcard? What do we think?
Frog.
It's a frog, correct. And what type of animal is a frog?
Reptile.
A frog is a reptile. Well done. So bang pon, what part? Yes, with the snake. Same part of the board as the snake, they are reptiles. And now let's help bang pon to write the word frog. How do we spell frog, guys? F-R-O-G. Okay, that's very good, bang pon. So we've got frog, reptiles. Excellent. High five for bang pon and a round of applause. Very well done. Still a few left, guys, so let's see who's next. Now, the flashcards is with Pak Bung. Pak Bung, come and show me your animal. Horse. Yes. Is a horse a fish? Is a horse a reptile? Mammal. Yes. Excellent. Horse is a mammal. So can we help Pak Bung to write the word horse? H-O-R-S-E. Very well done, Pak Bung. So we can say horse, mammal. Perfect. High five and a big round of applause for Pak Bung. Now the flashcard is with Preo. So Preo, can you come and show your friends your flashcard, please? And remembering the name of this animal, think about the colour. Goldfish. Yes, it's a fish. And what colour is it? Gold. So it's a goldfish. Now, what type of animal is a goldfish? Exactly. The clue is in the name. So, Preo, goldfish. G-O-L-D-F-I-S-H. Perfect. Goldfish. So we know goldfish is a fish. Preo, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Preo, guys. Okay, so still 2 flashcards left. And now the flashcard is with Chu. So Chu, come and show us your flashcard. What can we see on Chu's flashcard? A shark. Now a shark is a very big fish. Yes. So Chu, what part of the board will you place your shark? Excellent. That's very good. And you can see how big the shark is compared to the other fish. But how do we spell shark, guys? S-H-A-R-K. Excellent, Hugh. Very well done. So we can say shark is a fish. Excellent, Hugh. High five and a big round of applause for Hugh. And we have 1 flashcard left. And I think we have 1 student who hasn't been yet. So let's do that one. And now the flashcards, our final student, Nadia, come and join me at the front. So let's see what animal Nadia has on her flashcard. What can we see, guys? It's a lizard. It's a type of lizard called a chameleon. A chameleon can change colours. But basically, we call these types of animals lizards. And what is a lizard a mammal? No. Is a lizard a fish? No. Lizard is a reptile. So that's fine there, Nadia. Yes, you can place next to the snake. Well, how do we spell lizard? L-I-Z-A-R-D. Excellent, Nadia. Very well done. So we can say lizards, reptiles. Nadia, brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Nadia, guys. So now we have all our pictures of our animals in the correct categories on the board. So let's practice one more time. Mammals. Monkey. Lion. Horse. Mammals are warm-blooded and have hair or fur, like us. Human beings are mammals. Then reptiles, like a snake, lizard, and frog. Cold-blooded animals that have dry, scaly skin. And then fish, like the tiger fish, or shark, and goldfish, that have tails, fins, and gills to help them breathe underwater. And guys, that was brilliant. Very well done. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, make sure every student in your class gets a worksheet. And what they have to do is they have to look at the different sentences and notice that each one has a word missing. Our students need to read the sentences and, remembering back to the PowerPoint activity, choose the correct word from the word box to complete the sentence. But what's the first thing we need to do, guys? Write our names on top. And give our students around 10 minutes for this activity and just help them with anything they need. So Pat, for you. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Ned, you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Down, you're welcome.
Thank you,
Prel,
teacher.
you're welcome. Bang, for you.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. And Lakau, for you. So guys, names on top first, and then look at the vocabulary in your word box. First sentence, mammals are, remember about the blood. So we have cold blood or warm blood. Warm blood, yes. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Perfect. You have the words in your word box, so then you can cross it out. Each word you only need once. We are mammals. We have hair, but what do animals have? F. Not fish. Not fin. Fair. Yes, when you see a dog or a bear, them types of animals, F-U-R, fur. The type of hair that animals have, particularly mammals, is fur. Then what do mammals do? How are babies born? Another word beginning with B. Mammals give birth. Yes. Like we do. Human beings, our mum will give birth to us. Mammals give birth to their babies too. That's why we belong in the mammals category. Cold-blooded, yes. The mammals are the warm-blooded animals. Reptiles are cold-blooded. Their blood is cold. What do they lay? Remember in the picture when we seen the turtle crawling out of the round things that we can sometimes... Eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. And that's how their young are born. They don't give birth. Yes, like the frog. The frog lives on land, but sometimes if you see a pond, you will see the frog in the water. Amphibians. Remember the name? Amphibian. And breathe with their gills. Gills. You see these things on the sides of the shark, the lines? These are gills. that the fish breathe through? The bodies of fish are covered with slimy, not fin. Remember what we said, the small, slimy scales. Yes, the bodies of a fish have thousands of small, slimy scales. Not like us, we have skin and hair. Fish have scales. And all fish have two things, fin and tail. You see? Tail and fin. Yes, either way is good, but all fish have a fin and a tail to help them swim. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to complete the sentences with the words from the word box. My students all did an excellent job, and we're going to practice speaking one final time. So ready, guys? Mammals are warm-blooded animals that breathe with their lungs. Mammals have hair or fur on their bodies. Mammals give birth to their babies and care for them. But reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have hard, dry, scaly skin. Yes, and reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs with tough, leathery shells. Reptiles live on land but can go in water. Fish live in water and breathe through their gills. Yes, remember the sides of the fish have gills. The bodies of fish are covered with slimy scales. All fish have fins and tails to help them swim fast. Guys, that was excellent. Very well done. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and now understand about 3 of the main categories of animals: mammals, reptiles, and fish. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, please? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.